Welcome to our video tutorial on disassembling the Microsoft new ergonomic Bluetooth mouse. In this guide, we'll show you how to take apart the mouse to access and clean the scroll wheel. Before we begin, please note that disassembling your mouse may void the warranty, so proceed at your own risk. Let's get started. To begin, turn the mouse upside down, and you'll see a seam about ½ inch below the Microsoft Windows logo on the back of the mouse. Insert a plastic opening tool or a flathead screwdriver into this seam, and gently pry the cover off. Once the cover is removed, you'll notice 3 star head screws holding the inner assembly in place. Use a Torx T6H star head shaped screwdriver to unscrew these screws, counterclockwise, and set them aside. Now, you'll find 5 Phillips head screws securing 2 small circuit boards. First, gently disconnect the 2 connectors between the circuit boards and the main assembly. Then, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 5 screws, and carefully lift the circuit boards away. With the circuit boards removed, you can now see the scroll wheel housing. It's a small black plastic component underneath the circuit boards. Take a moment to inspect the scroll wheel and determine if it needs cleaning. To remove the scroll wheel, gently lift it out of the housing. If necessary, use a cotton swab or a soft brush to clean the scroll wheel and the surrounding area. When reassembling the mouse, ensure that the tension wire, which sits on top of the scroll wheel housing, is in the correct position. Begin by placing the scroll wheel back into the housing, making sure it moves smoothly. Next, reattach the circuit boards to the main assembly. Make sure any connectors are securely plugged in. Then, use the Phillips head screwdriver to screw in the 5 screws, tightening them clockwise. Finally, align the mouse cover over the main assembly, ensuring that it fits snugly. Press down gently to snap it back into place, and there you have it. You've successfully disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled your Microsoft new ergonomic Bluetooth mouse. Remember, always be cautious and gentle when working with delicate electronics. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below.